Alright, so part of this stand that I'm building, I've got to have a way to mount the motor that's going to drive this. So, just really all I got to do is be able to measure the bolt hole pattern, cut a little plate that this will be able to mount to. So, instead of having to mess with trying to be on center, you can just hook one side and go to the other side, the same side. So I've got 3 inches by 5 inches, and the hole is just over a 1/4 inch. So I'm going to make my pattern 3 by 5, and then I'm going to put a 3/8 inch hole in it. Alright, just gonna see if I can record over what's really going on, and it's just saying that instead of showing you me cutting more things on my bandsaw that you've seen enough of, I just cut it off camera. It's a 2" by 1/4" strip, and I cut these pieces and I got a 3/8 spacer underneath it so that I'm maintaining just the points of the legs on as contact points for the floor. And that's pretty much what you're missing out on that you can't hear in the actual video. Alright, so it's coming along. The stand is looking nice. I don't know if I'll probably won't. I don't know, I might make some tin covers for that, but no real reason. On the back side here, I'm going to have the motor mounted on a hinge, which will weigh down the belt. And there's your belt tension. So, got the double pillow block. Then drive wheel. Belt goes this way up to the tensioning / tracking wheel, and then down to whatever end you happen to have on it. So still lots of work to go, but it's coming along nicely. So still need to actually affix it to the stand. It's a falling hazard right now, but it's a good spot to stop for the day.